Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to restore missing chat history on your Messenger on Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to your Messenger right here. And once when you're here, you have to click on these three lines that are at the top left corner. Once when you do it, you have to click on this settings logo right here on the top right. And once when you're here, you can go down to privacy and safety and click on privacy and safety. And then you have to go here to end-to-end encrypted chats. And then you have to click here on message storage. Once when you do that, what you need to do is you have to click here on reset pin, which is right here in the middle. And then you have to reset your pin and you have to put a new pin. Wait, let me just do this in a simple way. So here you go. I have put a new pin. Now, if you log into your Messenger from any other device, then you have to put the same pin in order to sync the chats on that device as well. However, if your problem is still there, if you're not able to restore the missing chat history, the next thing that you can do is you can click turn off secure storage and see that after turning it off, does it help? Does it sort your problem out? Does it restores the missing chat or not? If it does, then you can turn it back on and that will be the solution to your problem. So that's it. That is how you are able to restore the missing chat history on Messenger. I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the next one.